Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're keeping fine and safe in this pandemic situation and staying at home. You are eagerly waiting for the job notifications to be out as to when the notifications will be out and you will be able to fill up the application form and opt for your dream job. So here I am in this video. I am going to give you the notification of Sainik School Tilaiya Recruitment 2021 for General Employee and Councilor post. 10th passed can apply for this job in Sainik School Tilaiya Recruitment 2021 notification, which is released for the General Employees and Councilor post. You can check the application process, educational qualification, experience, selection process, selection criteria, and other details here in this video. So, Sainik School Tilaiya Recruitment 2021. Sainik School Tilaiya has released notification for recruitment to the post of General Employee, that is GE, Regular and Councilor. Interested candidates can apply to the post through the prescribed format on or before 11th and 20th July 2021. Coming to important dates, the last date for the submission of the application for GE is 20th July 2021. The last date for submission of online application for the councillor post is 11th July 2021. Sainik School Tilaiya Recruitment 2021 vacancy details. Talking about that, there are various vacancy details. Before that, I will talk about the job summary. Notification has been released by Sainik School Tilaiya Recruitment 2021 for General Employee and Councilor post. As I told you, 10th pass can apply. The notification date was 21st June 2021. The last date of submission will be 20th July 2021 for the city of Bokaro, state Jharkhand, country India. Organization is Sainik School. Educational qualification required is secondary and other qualifications may also be applicable. The functional area is administration. Now coming to the vacancy details. General employee will have 18 vacancies. Councillor for Sainik School Tilaiya will have 20 vacancies. Now eligibility criteria for this job. The educational qualification for general employee, the candidate must be 10th passed or equivalent from a recognized board or university or institute. Councillor requires MA or MSc in psychology from a recognized university plus 1 year regular diploma in guidance and counseling or MA, MSc or MCom with MEd or BEd qualification with 1 year diploma in guidance in counseling or BA or BSc psychology with the certificate of diploma in counseling. Sainik School Tilaiya Recruitment 2021 age limit for GE, it is 18 to 50 years. There will be age relaxation for reserved category candidates as per the government norms. For councillor post, 21 to 35 years. Sainik School Tilaiya Recruitment 2021, the salary for GE will be basic pay 18,000 plus allowances as applicable. Sainik School Tilaiya Recruitment 2021 allowances for GE, pay as per 8th CPC, rent-free accommodation, transport allowance, DA, medical allowance, LTC, contributory pension as per NPS. Sainik School Tilaiya will be providing this. The salary for councillor post is 44,900 per month. Now, how to apply for this Sainik School Tilaiya Recruitment 2021? Interested candidates can submit their applications along with the documents with an unstamped self-addressed envelope with a non-refundable demand draft for rupees 400 for general and OBC and rupees 250 for SC or ST drawn in favor in principal Sainik School code 3502 should reach the principal Sainik School Tilaiya Post Office Tillaya Dam District Kodarma State Jharkhand pin code 825413 must reach the school by 25th July 2021 for GE post, while for the Councilor post the last date for application submission is only 11th July. So if you are eligible enough and you think this education sector is your dream job, then why are you waiting? Go for it. The place is also quite habitable, and the place is quite comfortable. In fact, for such a school, Sainik School it is. So this is a very nice educational sector. If you really wish to opt for this education sector, this is a very good notification which is out in this pandemic situation. So if you want to see yourself in such a post, then definitely opt for it without wasting any time. So I wish you all the best in your career. I hope you are benefited watching this video, and you will hurry up in filling out the application form and giving all the required details that is required as per the job notification. So all the best for your career ahead. I hope you will be successful in your career. So I will conclude my video here. I just hope you stay at home, stay safe and stay fine. All the best. Thank you for watching this.